There's two things that you should pay attention to know if you have a mental illness. First is your own felt experience. Does your experience of life feel normal to you? Or does it feel like something's off? Does your level of anxiety, does your level of depression or motivation or excitement about life? Do you have joy for the future? Do you enjoy your life in the present? Are you hopeful about your life? Do you feel a lot of curiosity and gratitude and joy? Those are markers of really healthy, vibrant lives. And if you don't experience that in your life, then something's not right. You were designed for a life full of joy. And if you're not experiencing that, then I would encourage you to be curious about what might be getting in the way of that. And it may be some mental health concern that can be addressed and you can have that life. The other thing I'd encourage you to pay attention to are the people around you who care about you. The loved ones in your life, they have eyes on your blind spots. They can see things that you can't see in yourself. And if they have concerns for you and about you and are voicing concerns, you should pay attention to that they love you and they want what's best for you. And they're raising those concerns not to criticize or pick on you or put you down, but to encourage you towards getting help so that you can have the full life they want to see you have. Listen to your friends and family, those who love you, those who care about you, and just be reflective of your own experience. Are you experiencing the joy in life that you would hope for? Is this the best life that you can imagine for yourself? Or are you struggling in some way and not experiencing that in your life? If so, there's help. Seek it out.